Sum series and integral calculus. Sum series through integral calculus, that is the arena we are making a discussion. How to calculate sum series through integral calculus. Okay, why do? I am happy with algebra. Someone would say, I don't need your calculus. Why I need your calculus? Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. I know it is n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. I know. Okay. Whatever you say, I know, because I'll subtract this one, I'll multiply this one, I will take a square of this one and do this much, and then sum of series formula comes out. But question is arising, how many sum series formula you know? I know 5, 6, 7, but there are infinite sum series are there. Can you find sum series formula of all the sum series possible that anyone would say in negation? Not possible. I cannot calculate sum series. Someone would say, I'm giving you the equation of Fibonacci. I'm giving you the formula of, I'm sorry, I'm giving you the algebraic equation of Fibonacci series. I believe it is 5 to the power n minus and then minus 5 to the power minus n, something like that, by 2 or something. That we will see. Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is fx equal to fx minus 1 plus fx minus 2, where f0 is 0. F1 is 1. So it will start with 0, 1. Then Fibonacci series of 2. Now 2 is again 1. 0, 1, 1. Then 2, then 3, and then 5, I think so. Because backward 2 addition will happen. If someone has Fibonacci series, then we will see it? Not right now, we are not doing that. How many calculation someone would compute remembering the way it is? Every sum series had different way to calculate every sum series. Somewhere you need to multiply by, consider there is a summation of a sum series and equal to s equal to summation of sum series. Then multiply s by something, then subtract, then add, and then sometimes many permutation combination are available to calculate the sum series. Can someone calculate the sum series in one man? That is what how it is. How many language you will learn? I know English, I know Italian, I know Spanish, and then I know Norwegian language, in language that would be spoken in Norway. I don't know. It would be some Norwegian or something like that. I know Swedish language. I know Danish language. So many language. Anyone would say, why don't you learn Latin? Why don't you learn Latin? Then you will learn all the languages, European language. All are derived from the Latin only. Learn Latin. You know everything, Italian to Romanian to everything. Similarly, in India, someone will say, I know Dogra, that is spoken in Jammu and Kashmir. I know Punjabi, I know Sindhi, I know Pashtun, I know Baluchi language. Okay, I know kind of, there is a language called, oh, I forgot. Okay, that is Parsian language. Persian language, that is separate language altogether, and that is spoken in Iran, Parsi language. Okay, so Persian language I know Baluch, I know Pashtun language, Punjabi, Sindhi, or in Xinjiang Uiguri language I know Dogra in Jammu and Kashmir, and then Haryanavi language, and Rajasthani up to Manipuri language, Burmese language, Thai language, so many language I know. Someone will say, why you are hitting your head against the wall? You can learn Sanskrit. From Sanskrit, all language has been derived in Indian subcontinent. All language. From the Brunei, Papua New Guinea up to Egypt, whatever the local language. I'm not talking about Arabic. Arabic may be different. From Arabic, many language has been derived. That is again a mother of a set of languages. Sanskrit is also mother of set of languages. Russian is a mother of set of languages. And this side, I believe, in mainland China again, they are, I forgot the name of their language. That is also a mother of many languages. Like in that manner, Sanskrit is mother of many languages in Indian subcontinent. Okay, in inner subcontinent, that is the Indus eastern side, that is Indian subcontinent, eastern side, that is, it will come as Sindhi and Punjabi in Pakistan right now. Otherwise, all languages eastward, Sanskrit is has very dominance over it. But other languages in west of Indus also, it is derived from Sanskrit only. Either it is Baluch or it is Pakhtun, Afghan language, all have been derived from Sanskrit only. Okay, they have less in Sanskrit and they are more near to Farsi or whatsoever. But more or less, even Kurdistan, Kurd language, it is also derived from Sanskrit only. Anyway, now someone will say, why you are learning so many ways to find some series? You can learn only one way, that is integral calculus, and you can find summation of all the sum series. Anyway, we have seen many summations, but we will brush up now. What is the secret behind calculating the sum series? What do you want to know? Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 up to n. Tell me what it is. I know n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, but we will do it through integral calculus, and we have done it through integral calculus. And it comes as n into n plus 1 by 2. There also. What is extra in that we are going to calculate? Hope, gone. Okay, two were here only. Just I saw. Okay, I'll try with pen today. Okay, now the question is that what is I'm talking? I'm talking one very different thing. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 up to n. Okay, can it be there? Can it be a something different? What is equation, algebraic equation of this summation? 1 plus 2, or I would rather say there is series of number 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma n. There are n number in a series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, n. Okay, what is summation? N into n plus 1 plus 1 by 2. If I say this series is equation is not n, x, at any location x number is also x1. Means if I say this is my x-axis, okay, if I say, okay, if I say this is my x-axis, this is x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, like so. At different x I have fx. This is function over x. This is function over x. And this is x-axis. Means this is y-axis and this is x-axis. X equal to 0, x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like so up to n. This is function over x and this is x. Make sense? Now when x equal to 1, what is function over x? Means what is vertical? Function over x equal to x. If x equal to 1, then vertical is 1. X equal to 2, vertical is 2. When x equal to 3, vertical is 3. What do you want? I want summation of all this. Yeah. Then it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Means I want summation of x equal to 1 to n function over x. Sigma sign summation below x equal to 1 to n function over x. Yeah, thank you very much. Then you have already done it. We have done it. What extra is there? Consider now, rather than, okay, number is same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can this number be demonstrated, represented through another algebraic equation? What is your other another algebraic equation? Consider another algebraic equation is 2x minus 1. Yeah, 2x minus 1 is not this. Can we make it like this? 2x minus 1 and number will come as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it possible? Okay, we'll try. Consider this is x equal to 1. Yeah, x equal to 1. 2x minus 1. Then this is 2. Consider this is x is 1, x is 2. Now with the formula 2x minus 1, then when it is 2, then value will come as 3. Vertical will be 3. 2 into 2 minus 1. Vertical will be 3. Function over x will be 3. When x equal to 1, then vertical will be 1. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7 and 9 as 2x minus 1. But there is a gap between 1 and 2 and that is in between. What is this? This is 3 by 2. If this x equal to 1 and x equal to 2, in between there is a gap called 3 by 2. Half. Between 2 and 3, there is a middle portion called 5 by 2, 2 and half. What is fx at x equal to 3 by 2? 2x minus 1. 2 into 3 by 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like so. Okay, but they lie not at x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. X equal to 1, then function over x is 1. When x equal to 1 and a half, then function over x is 2. When x equal to 2, then function over x is 3, 2x minus 1. When x equal to 2 and a half, then function over x is 4. When x equal to 3, then function over x is 5. When x equal to 3 and a half, then function over x is 6, like so. Means you are saying you have vertical. This is x-axis, this is function over x-axis. You have vertical at fx, function over x, yeah. And vertical you have sampled at half, not 1, 1, yeah, half. X equal to 1, x equal to 1 and a half, x equal to 2, x equal to 2 and a half, x equal to 3, x equal to 3 and a half, x equal to 4, x equal to 4 and a half, x equal to 5, x equal to 5 and a half, like that. There where at half distance you have sampled it, yeah, half of distance we have sampled it. What is your sampling height? What is function over x? At x equal to 1, it is 1. X is equal to 1 and a half, it is 2. X equal to 2, it is 3. X equal to 2 and a half, it is 4. X equal to 3, it is 5, like so. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But it is now sampled at x equal to 1, 1 and a half, 2, 2 and a half. But question that is written in examination is, can you find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5? Yeah, it is written like that. But we can take in that fashion also. No one is stopping us, because at the end, if question is written like that, at the end I have to find solution like that one. Okay, for solution I did like this. Now my function over x is 2x minus 1, not x. 2x minus 1, when x is sampled at 1, 1 and a half, 2, 2 and a half, 3. This is how one student understood it. He from home he has remembered one function called 2x minus 1. When he saw the question, then he understood it is 2x minus 1 only. Now very happily he is solving it through integral calculus. Okay, 2x minus 1 he is writing, or in rough way, because he has to give the answer. In the rough note he is writing fx equal to 2x minus 1. Summation x equal to 1 to x equal to 1 to n, where x will sample at half, not 1, 1, 1. If someone has representation here, he can write it. And then fx means 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1. How many times? Okay, I don't know how many times, but the last x will be n. N is the whole number. X equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. It will go up till n. Up till n. Okay, then it looks like it is near to 2n numbers. Yeah, it is near to 2n number. That is true. But as a number, it will go up to n. Up to n. Someone can write in that manner. It will go up to n. Okay, what is the summation? You tell me. So this is the question. that someone can hit it. This is for clarity on the integral calculus. How we are using integral calculus to calculate it. Okay, then as for the fundamental, we will go by the successive approximation. Okay, what is the function now? 2x minus 1 will have slope of 2. This is the function. This is x-axis. This is function over x, where slope of x tan theta is 2. Y equal to 2x minus 1. dy by dx equal to 2. 2 is fixed. 2. It is fixed. X-axis, y-axis, and it is tan theta is 2. It is a straight line. Now, when x equal to 1, height is 1. When x equal to 1 and a half, height is 2. When x equal to 2, height is 3. X equal to 2 and a half, height is 4. X equal to 3, height is 5. When x equal to n, height is 2n minus 1. Now consider that there is another function called gx. Gx. This is a discrete function. This is not a continuous function. It is sampled at half, 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 half. I mean that if someone is very avid, then he can think that at x equal to 1, I have a vertical. At x equal to 1 and a half, I have a vertical. At x equal to 2, I have a vertical. If all the vertical top point, if I connect, then it will form a line, and that is this line. This is not a continuous line. It is set of points. That's why it is called point mass function. Point mass. This is combination of many points, addition of many points. It goes like this. What about continuous function gx? Consider this is fx. This is fx, function over x. There is a continuous function called gx. Continuous function called gx. It is not sampled at any moment. It is fully continuous, gx. Now consider there is x equal to 1. X equal to 1, then height is 1. Height is 1 for the fx. For the fx. Consider x equal to 1 and a half, then height is 2. Between 1 and 2, between x equal to 1 and 1 and a half, there is an area strip that will go like this and it will hit gx. Consider this area strip is exactly same on fx on left hand side, that is x equal to 1. Now consider another area strip between x and a half and x equal to 1. X is x is 1 and a half, and another is x equal to 2, not 1. 1 and a half, 2. There is another area strip that will go and it will hit gx, continuous function, and this area will be exactly same as function over x, that is 2x minus 1 on left hand side, that is 1 by 1 and 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Another area will go from 2 and 2 and a half, it will hit gx, and it will be same as the height of fx at x equal to 2, like so. Means if there are if there are 2n minus 1 number of bars are there, if it is x equal to 1, then last bar will be at x equal to n, and height will be 2n minus 1. Means there are 2n minus 1 bars are there. In that manner, there will be 2n minus 1 area will be there. First area is between 1 and 3 by 2. Then last area will be between n and n plus 1 by 2. Makes sense? First area is between 1 and 1 and a half. Second is 1 and a half to 2. Like that, the last area will be from n to n plus 1 by 2. So there will be n area. Each area in gx will be equal to left hand side fx. What are I trying to say? I am trying to say fx equal to integration x to x plus 1 by 2. That's why I brought this discussion. x plus 1 by 2 gx dx, where gx I don't know. What is fx? Fx is 2x minus 1. At any x equal to x, height is 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 equal to limit x equal to x plus 1 by 2 gx dx. If I find gx in that manner somehow, then I know gx, then I can get full summation of fx equal to integration x equal to 1 to n plus 1 by 2, and that many area it will go, gx dx, and I can find the net solution. Someone would say you would have taken left side rather than taken right side. You took right side, right? You took 1 to 1.5, 1.5 to 2. In area man, anyway, the verticals are same anyway. But first vertical is x equal to 1. You could have taken area on left side. That is x equal to 1, 1.5 to 1. 1 to 1, x equal to half, sorry, half and 1, then 1 and 1.5, then 1.5 and 2. Means the area strip between half and 1 will be same as the vertical at right side, that is x equal to 1. Third way is you would have taken half left side, half right side. Means x equal to x, then this is fx. It will be same as x minus 1 by 4 to x plus 1 by 4 gx dx. All three we will try. Then we will not try this one. But we are trying to prove that this is understandable. So fx equal to limit x to x plus 1 by 2 gx dx. Right hand side we will try. Is it really possible? Now fx is 2x minus 1 equal to gx dx. Gx will be fx equal to gx dx. Gx will be dfx by dx. In that manner 2. We'll start with gx equal to 2. Okay, this is called successive approximation, and this is our methodology. This is not available in any of the book. Anyone can try. Okay, now we can start. All series summation we are doing only through integral calculus. Same procedure. This is $1 trillion proof. No one will get, and I remember it is a headache for any student to solve sum series. Headache. How many sum series you will remember? Only one generic way you crack everything. Okay, now gx dx. Gx is 2. Then it will come as 2x, from x to x plus 1 by 2. Then it will come as x plus 1 by 2, sorry, 2 outside, and then x plus 1 by 2 minus x. It will come as 1 by 2 into 2. It will come as 1. This side 1, this side 2x minus 1. Completely unmatchable. So we have to multiply by 2x now. 2x now. We started with 2. Then I got result as 1, where expected is 2x minus 1. We are getting 1. 1 will match to 2x if I multiply by 2x. We took with 2 and multiplied 2x now. Last constant term I am leaving. Expectation is 2x minus 1. I am getting 1. First settle down the highest order, that is x to the power 1. Next is x to the power 0. That we will see later. X to the power 1 is 2x, and here it is 1. So here it is 1. So I have to multiply by 2x. We started with 2. So now it will become 4x. We will start with 4x. No one is stopping us. 4x integration will be x 2x square. 4 into x square by 2. 2x square. Limit is x to x plus 1 by 2. 2 I can keep outside. X plus half whole square minus x square. It will become 2, and it will become x plus 1 by 4. X plus 1 by 4. Makes sense? X plus half whole square is x square plus x plus 1 by 4 minus x square. It will become x plus 1 by 4. Outside 2 is waiting. 2x plus 1 by 2. The result will come at 2x plus 1 by 2. Expectation is 2x minus 1. We are getting 2x plus 1 by 2. Make sense? Okay. Means 1 by 2, it should be 1. But we are minus 1. We are getting plus 1 by 2. We'll try somewhere near to how much is the difference? Minus 1, 1. I have to subtract it by 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Then 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 will come as minus 1 only. So minus 3 by 2. We'll try now. 4x minus 3 by 2. 4x minus 3 by 2. Integration limit is x to x plus 1 by 2. 4x will become 2x square minus 3 by 2x. 2x square limit x to x plus 1 by 2 will resolve in same thing what we did now. 2x plus 1 by 2. 2x plus 1 by 2. We will remember it. Now minus 3 by 2 x. Minus 3 by 2 and x will become x plus 1 by 2 minus x. 1 by 2 will remain there. 1 by 2 and outside waiting is minus 3 by 4. 3 by 2, it will become minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. And this side, we have 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. That is not expected result. It should have been minus 3 by 2. Then it would have become minus 1. So we started with minus 3 by 2. And that's why it is successive approximation. So we will try with minus 3 because 3 by 4 I don't want. I want 3 by 2. So 2 again multiply. Makes sense? We are getting 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. How much it is coming? Okay, it will come as 2 minus 3. Minus 1 by 4 it will come. Expectation is minus 1, but we are getting minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 or something like that. Okay, we tried with multiplied by minus 3 by 2. I'll take out 2 because right hand side we are getting minus 3 by 4. We should be minus 3 by 2. So I have to multiply by 2. Makes sense? So we will try with minus 3. So it is now 4x minus 3. We'll try again. 4x is 2x square minus 3x. 2x square will become x 2x plus 1 by 2. This is what we have seen. Minus 3 and in bracket x plus 1 by 2 minus x 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So it will become 2x plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. It will become minus 1. 2x minus 1. Perfect. Left hand side we have 2x minus 1. Right hand side we have 2x minus 1. It worked. In that manner, we have found gx continuous equation. If this is x-axis, this is function over x, that is 2x minus 1. And this is gx equation, and that is 4x minus 3. Can someone believe on? This is x-axis and discrete function is 2x minus 1 and continuous function is 4x minus 3. All are same. Both are same. Here I have to add all the vertical to get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. But here I have to compute area to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, but calculating area is far easy than calculating 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Anyway, what is gx? Gx is 4x minus 3 from 1 to n plus 1 by 2 because we made n subsection. Means if I know gx 1 to 1 and a half, limit 1 to 1 and a half gx dx plus limit 1 and a half to 2 dx plus limit 1 to 1 and a half dx plus 1 and a half to 2 dx plus 2 to 2 and a half dx plus 2 and a half to 3 dx like so. Okay, this is what I have to compute. This is called sub area. From 1 to 1 and a half, 1 sub area. 1 and a half to 2, 1 sub area, and all sub area, one particular sub area, 1 to 1 and a half will be same as the left hand side fx, that is 1 equal to 1 to 1 and a half gx dx. Then next one is 2. Then 2 equal to limit 1 and a half left side, right? The left hand side 1 and a half to 2 gx dx. Next is 3. 3 equal to 1 and a half to 2 gx dx like so. Left hand side fx and right hand side sub area. So the most right hand side sub area will be n and n and a half. So net sub area will be 1 to n plus half. So it will become 1 to n and a half gx dx. That is the net summation x equal to 1 to whatsoever fx. Okay, then we'll try now. So how much it will come? Summation x equal to 1 to n plus 1 by 2. In previous sessions we were doing n plus 1. Here it is n plus 1 by 2. 4x minus 3. We'll try now. 4x will become 2x square minus 3x. Let's settle down to x square first. 2x square, 2 in bracket x square, where x square will go from 1 to n plus half, n plus half. So it will become n square plus n plus 1 by 4. N plus half whole square will be n square plus n plus 1 by 4. Okay, minus one, lower side it is 1, minus lower side is 1. So minus n square minus 1 square, it will come as minus 1 square minus 1. So it will become n square. I have not tried. n square plus n plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So it will become n square plus n minus 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Outside 2 is waiting. 2n square, 2n square plus 2n plus minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Now right hand side I have minus 3x. X will be n plus 1 by 2 minus 1. N plus 1 by 2 minus 1. N minus 1 by 2. This is what it will become. Outside 3 is waiting. N minus 1 by 2 minus 3n plus 3 by 2. Okay, it is something like that. So it will become, here is this side, it will become n square plus 2n, n square plus 2n plus minus 3 by 4. This side 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. This side we have minus 3n plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Correct. 3 by 2. N plus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 gone. Minus 3n plus 2n minus n is 2n square minus n, that is the summation. Now happily he has written in the notebook 2n square minus n is the solution. 2n square minus n is the solution. What is n? That matters. If I say 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, n is the number of the number. But here n is different. Here n is the slot number where it is going half multiple. So when n is, then what is the solution? If I say I want 1 plus 2 plus 3, then n is 1, n is 2. At n is 1, it is 1, then n is 1 and a half, then it is 2. When n is 2, then it is 3. I have deliberately taken this example that people understand how we are bringing the solution. Everywhere it is not 1 to n plus 1, or it is 1 to n plus half, because sub area is varied. Result is 2n square minus n. Now when n is 2, then how much will come? 1 plus 2 plus 3. It will be 6. Here it is 2n square. 2n is 2 now. 4 into 2 is 8 minus 2, 6. Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. How much it will be? Then how much is n? 1, 3, 5. 5 is where n is 3. 6 means n is 3 and a half. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 2n square. 2 into 7 by 2 whole square. 2 into 49 by 4. Next. 2 into 49 by 4. 49 by 2. 2n square. 49 by 2 minus n minus 7 by 2. 49 minus 7 or 42 by 2, 21. It will come as 21. 21. Someone can try up to 1 to 6. Will it come 21? 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 4, 10, 10, 5, 15, 5, 6, 21. Through integral calculus, any permutation combination is possible. It is not mere a summation of series. Someone can get miracle results, and this is the actual solution. Not people are trying through algebra. People can see in the book. What is solution of this summation series? No one knows. It is near to this constant plus this constant plus this constant square this constant. What are these constants? This is Hoffman constant and this is Leibniz constant and this is that constant. Now the student is sweating now. How many constants I have to remember? But one integration in integral calculus, all solutions, all. Okay, this approach is not available in the book, certainly. Please do not mind supporting us. +91 is the India country code 9483160610 is the telephone number. +91 is the India country code 9483160610 is the telephone number.